Hey there, in this video I will show you how to make absolutely loads of kindling in very little time. I made this much in around 4 or 5 minutes. And everything you'll need will be basically just a rubber band. I used just some random band from Slingshot. If you do have an old bicycle tube, I would suggest to use that, as that one is probably the best for this job. Next, take your rubber band, whatever you got, and simply wrap around your piece of wood that you're going to make kind of kindling from, and wrap it rather tightly, and make sure it's around maybe 1/3 from the end. Don't put it here and don't put it here as well. When we are going to chop the wood, it will be very easy. It won't move anywhere and you can easily chop it in small pieces. And it will be extremely fast. Okay, let's see how fast it is. Of course, my axe isn't very sharp. Okay, then next we can simply chop this way. Let's aim for 1/3. Next, we're simply going to chop this wood up small pieces to make tons of small kindling that can burn very easily. Make sure to adjust it from time to time so it doesn't fall apart. Okay, I think we are done. Okay, let's see how much we got. See, take it apart very easily. And got tons of kindling super fast. This took us maybe 10 seconds or a bit more. Okay, let's try another one. Again, make sure the band is reasonably tight and it's in the correct position, around 1/3 from the bottom. If the band isn't very tight or it's down here, all your kindling will basically fall apart very easily and you won't be able to chop it up as good. So, and again, a bicycle tube is the best for this, as it's more durable and provides a better grip basically. But this is what I have. Okay, and if you got a bicycle tube, you don't really have to be afraid to chop harder. As you see, I'm kind of struggling, as I don't want to split this. Alright, this is what we got. Let's see. Very easy, and most importantly very safe as well. Also, when you are making the kindling, make sure your stock is fairly straight and without large knots like this. This piece would be pretty much impossible to effectively cut and to be very hard. Make sure there are no large knots if you want to make very small piece like these. Otherwise you will really struggle. And make sure they are maybe around 20 centimeters large. If you take a very large stock, it will be kind of hard and you won't be able to make a very small stock. Also, make sure to check out my 2 other videos. I have 2 more methods how you can make kindling very fast. So they are a bit different and are actually kind of a bit easier as well. So if this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See ya!